How to back up folder on OneDrive. If you're looking to back up your files and folders to OneDrive, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily back up any folder on OneDrive so you never have to worry about losing your important files. Let's open OneDrive. First things first, open OneDrive, and you can visit OneDrive.com if you're using a browser. Once you've opened OneDrive, log in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. This is the same account you use for services like Outlook, Xbox, and Microsoft Office. Now, if you're using a Windows PC, you can also access OneDrive directly through File Explorer. Just open a File Explorer and look for the OneDrive folder on the left-hand side. Now, the folder you want to back up, this could be any folder on your computer that you want to keep safe in the cloud. Once you found it, simply drag and drop the folder into the OneDrive folder in File Explorer. After you drop your folder into OneDrive, it will automatically start syncing to the cloud. Now, if you have mobile and want to access your folder on your phone or tablet, just open the OneDrive app and your folder will be right there ready to view or download at any time. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your folder to OneDrive, as you can access it from anywhere and OneDrive's folders are always backed up.